After conducting our 2 checks, we listed 4 issues that need a little fixing. Let's begin. First, we're going to add a display layout. In this case, a mobile banner. Now this is a layout that has a similar aspect ratio as the leaderboard, as well as a similar design. So to save time on designing, we're going to add it as a sub-layout of the leaderboard. Click the Add icon, go to Presets, scroll down to Mobile Banner, and add it. Now let's rename it and select its layout intent. If needed, adjust the size and positioning of the elements on the canvas. Let's close the panel and go check it in run mode. Here it is. Quick check on the image. All good.